Hello students, today we will learn about strings in Python, which is an immutable data type. Once created cannot be changed. You can see the example of strings. Whatever is enclosed in double quote, it is called a string. Like it is immutable, we cannot change once initialized. Once you have given the value, you cannot change it. You cannot change even any character within the string. Like in the example, you can see we want to change the first letter of Python program to B, but it is going to give you an error which cannot be changed. Strings are immutable, which means we cannot change a string, but we can modify and return a new string. Like we have assigned a value to x and we want to change SS to PP. So we have to use the replace function of strings and it will give you the new value, new string. Upper function is used to convert the value into uppercase. Lower function is used to convert the value into lowercase. And you can see book title is equal knowledge engineering for beginners. So if we will use the title function of strings, it will convert every first letter of the word to uppercase. Len function is used to give you the length of the string. Strings are a contiguous set of characters enclosed within a quote. So the quotes can be single, double or triple. These are the escape sequence of the string. /n is used for new line, /t is for tab, for double quotes we have to use double quotes, single quote with slash, and these are the examples how we can use these escape sequence. String operation. There are different operators which are used for string operation. Plus operator is used for concatenation. Like we in the example hello plus friend, the result will be hello friends. It is used to join two strings. Hello into 2, it will give you result in the repetition form. Then we are having membership operators in, not in. It will return the value in true or false. If E in hello, then result will be true. If E is not in hello, then result will be false. You can see the examples on the screen. Indexing in the string. Each character in a string is automatically assigned an index value, an index number. So two sets of indexes are used in Python. Positive integers are used to index from left to right. Negative integers are used to index from right to left. String slicing. It is an act of extracting a piece of string from original string. The general format is string. Within square bracket, you have to give the start index and the past index. This refers to the substring of str starting at start index and stop before past index. If you omit the start index, substring starts from the beginning. That means 0th location. If you omit the past index, substring starts from the start index and goes to the end. You can see in the example str1. It returns the second character of the string str. In the next example, it will start from the third index and till fifth before the sixth index. If we are not giving starting position, it will start from 0th location till third index value. See the example str equals to happiness. So str1, it will display the character having index 1. In the second example str3 colon 6, It displays all the characters from index 3 to 5. str within bracket, starting position, if it is not there, it starts from 0 till 3. In the next example, you can see it is starting from 1 till end. And in the last example, the location from where it is going to start is 1 and the end location is -3. It displays all the characters from index 1 to -4. Thank you.